On the 23rd of July 2024, members of the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, the FKJGP, and other organizations from the Garo Hills, including the Garo Students Union, the Achik Youth Welfare Organization, the FAF and the Association for Democracy and Empowerment, met with East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner RM Kurbah regarding the recent suicide of Diana Ch Marak, a fourth semester Garo Civil Engineering student at the Polytechnic Institute, Mawlai, Shillong, in May this year. The FKJGP president of the Garo Hills, Achik Marak, stated that the meeting was prompted by the family's dissatisfaction with the post-mortem report. The groups are calling for a more thorough investigation and impartial review of the case.
No, basically we came here today to meet the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District because there have been one case regarding one of our students who was pursuing her fourth semester in Shillong Polytechnic Institute. Nonetheless, I think it's on the 6th of May, in the early morning, I think it's in the wee hours, around 3 a.m. Her body was found hanging in the Polytechnic Girls Hostel, inside the Polytechnic Girls Hostel. But the family members and the clan members of the deceased, they asked us to give them an audience, and so we met them. And after meeting them, they gave us so many things to ponder upon. And they showed us some photographs also. After seeing the photographs and comparing the stories that was narrated to us by the family members, there is some kind of doubt in our minds also that it might not be a simple case of suicide, but there might be certain elements involved in it. So, but we are not accusing anyone at the moment, but we came to the Deputy Commissioner to ask for a magisterial inquiry because the family members are not satisfied, contented with the post-mortem report itself, because the medical officer, he or she excluded the histopathology part of the post-mortem because they struck down the whole histopathology part, and they did not send any specimen for conducting histopathology. And as per the clan members and the family members, histopathology is a must for any for any post-mortem to be taken seriously, for any autopsy report to be taken seriously. And according to them, as per the law, if a female is concerned in case of a death of a female, histopathology is a must. So it should be conducted as it is mandated by the law. It is as per the claims of the clan members. So basically, because the clan members and the family members, they have approached us, so it became our duty to come and meet the Deputy Commissioner and look into the matter, because even the post-mortem report was denied to the family members and the clan members for more than 2 weeks, even after the post-mortem was conducted and the report was made ready, but they were denied the reports. So they are quite unhappy and they are asking for magisterial inquiry, and some of their family members are also coming today. I think they'll also meet the DC separately on their own, but for the time being, we as responsible organizations, we are taking up the issue. We are asking the DC to conduct a magisterial inquiry. Yeah, she has assured that she'll look into the matter. She'll order for a magisterial inquiry. That is what the Deputy Commissioner has already. She assured us that she'll take up the matter and she'll pursue for a magisterial inquiry. But the exhumation of the body, I don't know whether we'll have to take the court's order or not, because the family is asking for the exhumation of the body also, so that histopathology can be done on the victim. No, they filed an FIR on the 16th of May. They filed an FIR, and they've also sent a letter to the SP East Khasi Hills District. However, there has been no initiative for exhumation of the body as of yet, so they are a bit stressed out regarding that also, because they want the body to be exhumed and the histopathology to be conducted. So magistrate is part of the government, but we are not pointing finger at the government also. We are not pointing finger at anybody at the moment. We just want that the family get a good closure. We are not accusing anybody. From our side, we don't know the whole story also. But whatever the facts that the clan members and the family members has presented to us, we feel like it is worth pursuing because you see, justice should be provided to anybody.
But what is the status of the police inquiry?
The police has not disclosed anything as of yet.
They will continue with the inquiry.
They are continuing with the inquiry, but as per the family members and the clan members, they have not interrogated most of the people who were involved in the whole incident, because the person who informed the parents and the elder sister about the death, about the finding of the dead body, even that person has not been identified as of yet. The family member cannot identify that person, but that person claimed to be a faculty member of the Polytechnic Institute and a Garo from Tura itself, from Aglangre locality of Tura. But the family member does not know who that person is. So they want to know also, because they are asking for closure. There was an incident prior to that day, that was on the 5th of May. There was some kind of incident, but we will not go to the details because it involves other students also, so we don't want to go to the details.
Tinggi nak liang kaseng hadian mengilai asngowi ke jingkuat jingnam jingni ki bayeng ki pala pentip iki ngelam jungi sport girls ti nak liang jok kaseng isngo bakal di kamram jungi begini kendu iki bor ki pada ikmi khanang ba kinle ya ke ibudan kam tikat kum ke jingi kendu jungi BDC tasngi kalong ba nak liang jungi nak pular ba ne ka magister inquiry pat indrai hapanya itu kat kum ki kendon juga an nomor ba ka jurisdiction kalai phe pan le nang ni pat seti sport tura nak liang jong department ke second baik ndre ka magistrate inquiry operation ni nak liang jong EDC jong Khasi sila punar ban Jaintia pat ban pentulun ni kene kam sakmat pat ka ba ar ka ban nilai keren EDC ya kene ka janmit umta kalong ba hadian bingilai I bakum kini jing jagi dan te ka pelong ni kum kaseng ban bu ke jingkeli bakat kita ki hostel ki bodan ni kini ki jaka kuli bo per khamtam ki hostel senrang de ba khamtam ki hostel kentai kide benda ni CCTV di hendai kat dem bagi lap aku tu singi kolong ba kat kum ke jingi tu jugi bahieng bat ki perlok jungi po girls ki ong hadian kula lek jak ke jaka ba isa ini sama puli bal khalat no ka CCTV ru kam dan ti kum kini ki berfait ngas ngoba nak liang dak seng ibu ke jing kentu ya ka sarkar ba kum kini ki jaka puli de bandan ba ikini ki CCTV khana makan long kan singan ya ka kiti ki sama puli ba sa tu bat la da gidan kinu ki jing bakala la ni jing bombet yang hang ni tai ni la pan yo kan kita jing sia ban persaki lara kalong ha kan no kamro kemudian nak ta ka ha kan ya sama puli kemudian hakini thai gitu ni